I was thinking that, of course, you said that you don't talk about your struggles, but I was reading an interview of yours where you said that when you went to audition for Chiruvi, your first film, there was some other actress's mom who not complimented, who commented on your skin color and said that what are you
True.
doing here? But you found immediate solace in how Girish Karnad treated you
Yeah.
as an adult, as a fellow actor.
Yeah.
So, what did you feel like in that moment, and when? How did you kind of bounce back from that?
I'm very happy that I'm able to heal these scars. I'm not still carrying them with me.
Yeah.
I can look at them with a detached manner. But back then, when I was a child myself, I was I belong to a very humble background where I had a third hand cycle. I had cycled to the audition to meet Girish Karnad. I had only one Punjabi suit which was bought by my brother as Bhai Dooj ka gift from his scholarship money at IIT Kanpur. That was the only Punjabi suit I had, and I had gone there with excitement because as a young person, you're not, I mean, back then I wasn't as ambitious or sure about what I
Yeah.
want to do in life, but we were getting to meet Girish Karnad, jinka naam हमने सुना था. I was all excited. And this lady, as you correctly mentioned, opened her mouth and said something really nasty about my presence and my looks.
Yeah.
She had no business to do that, even though her daughters they are beautiful. They're genuinely beautiful. But as an adult, why do you choose to break somebody else's heart just for your kid to shine better in the world? She did that. And I felt you need guts to do such things. It taught me something as an adult I shouldn't be doing. These are I take them as learnings which have helped me to be a better human being. I don't want to tell somebody else that why are you participating in running? You're not tall. You can't run. You can't stand properly. Why to demoralize someone like this
Yeah.
so vehemently just for one opportunity? And that opportunity you are going to find anywhere in the world. If I didn't get that film, I would have gotten some other play or some other opportunity, or I would have created something. We have to have this assurance and confidence. But when I was young, I felt embarrassed. I realized it was much louder than her comment because I felt that she's commenting on our economic strata also because I had no money. Her daughters had two-wheelers, good watches, they had gold finger ring and gold earrings. I had nothing of that. But the dignity or the manner in which Girish uncle met us all, it told us nothing matters. Your willingness to work, your willingness to connect, your willingness to tell a story is the only thing that will matter. He was talking to all the girls who were present there with equal amount of patience and grace. When my turn came, he asked me, "What are you doing?" And till then, I was behaving like a spot person. I was collecting dishes, giving pohe, chai to everyone, collecting khali cup and saucers. He shifted my being when he spoke to me. He didn't treat me as a girl who was helping.
Yeah.
He treated me as a girl who had come to meet him, a young person, young actor,